Boom. Season 2, episode 42. Let's see where we go from here. Did break some stuff. Oops. Forgot to do this. Forgot to start the other ones. Well, whatever. Season 2, episode 42. We broke some stuff yesterday. Have to also let my Discord know. Hey, I have a Discord. That I'm streaming. Yeah, that's another thing I do. I forget to do sometimes. And what else is there to do? Not a whole lot more to do. What is this nonsense? Get rewards by purchasing gifts and subscribing to Dark. Sure. Wow, just coming in hot. Just coming in hot. You're just like, hey, you know, you just finished breakfast. You're probably full. You know, I'm just gonna make you throw up a little bit. Frig you. Okay. My table's a mess. Burn off those calories. I'm like jiggly. I'm jiggly right now. I gotta move stuff too. There we go. Some pushy-ups. Oh, good morning. It's my 2 months sub anniversary, so you should do 5 more as a bonus for me because you love me. What? Do you not get points for the sub? Doesn't reward you with more thingies? Huh, that's interesting. Does it show it on the other chat? So you're saying, well, give me a little breather. Let me just start getting into this. Start seeing. I know I broke something yesterday, and I don't remember what. I should have left myself a note. I normally do. Why does it feel like I'm a little... Oh, it's because this is not centered. That's why. Okay. Shortcut maybe is what I broke. Confirm. Crud. I should have another button. ×2 multiplier. He lives. Recruit this guy. Take double hit. Does strike do anything? Okay. Treasure room. Look, I got a shield. Look, I have a bunch of shields. Ha 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 ha. Maybe I should work on that. Maybe I should make the treasure room work. So shortcut, I know we have a little bit of a flaw here. Also, these guys need to be lower. Is that because of this? Is this scaled weird? What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh. Is it my display ratio stuff? No. I feel like it's maybe he's just off. I probably have to lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 Lower something. The hero holder? No. No. Hero location? No, that doesn't matter. Let me solve these ones. Something's a little off about this, but whatever, we'll figure that after. So yeah, whatever, we'll go back to this, pick him. If I confirm, it does everything. I don't want it to do that. Need a second button. Let's recruit the ninja. Let's fight. Ninja, go! Ninja's defeated him. No, actually, let's just see. Are my people low? Current HP full. 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 Well, there's something wrong with that. I should be losing HP. Yeah, current HP 9. Okay. Okay, let's skip. 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 Switch to you. And take a little damage too. And take a little damage also. Okay, so everyone's got damage on them pretty much. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Something's a little jank. Clear this. Let's do a stab. Okay, trigger passive ability. So yeah. Oh. Oh, interesting. Huh. So you have that. You're lower. They're at full health, even though they fought. Huh. Okay, something's weird here. Okay. Why did this guy start off with 9? What is going on here? Something is a little jank. Huh. My bread came out nice this time. Last time I had a flat failure. Oh, that's good. Good to hear your bread was good. Create prefabs. Create prefabs ladder. This one I might just take out. Let's get this bread. So what, you want me to come over there and try your bread? Are you telling me to get in my car and drive over right now and get some bread? Do you have jam? Set a battle ladder. Create battle ladder. Set up. That letter's true. Okay. So let's make money or something for those who are hip. Them hip kids there. Okay. Create prefab for ladder. Also was wondering, should I buy Helldivers 2? The hype for it has passed. See, the thing is, it's all I want is someone to play with. I don't really. It's more having someone to play along with is like the whole reason. That's because it's on sale right now. I think it's like. Helldivers 2. Yeah, it's like 40. It's 20% off. It's not the greatest 20% off, but I was kind of curious about it. You can maybe get more people to get back into it with you, but I know a lot of people dropped the game when they tried to make someone on PC. So wait, do I need a Sony account or no? Oh look, there's a new enemy type. I think they were rolling it back because they lost like 90%. Oh, really? Why, does Sony own? Oh yeah, PlayStation Publishing. Huh, I didn't realize that. Oh, you got killed. America. Yeah, maybe I'll pick that up. Some pew pew shooty shooty. Yeah, so what was I looking at here? So we instantiate. Oh, that's why. Can I? Can I? Clone name. Okay. What I might want to do here. I don't know if I can do this clone. Hero holder data. So then I can go clone. Let me know if you get it. Sure, let's pull the trigger. Let's pull the trigger, why not? Add to cart. Add to my cart. Pay cart. What? They're charging me my Quebec tax? You should maybe end stream and delete the VOD? What VOD? The recording? Why? Doesn't give you any of my information. You showed your credit card info. No, I didn't. It doesn't show, it only shows literally the last 2 digits of my credit card. Which is nothing. The big thing is I pulled it away because it's the what's it called? You need to add your, what's it called? Security code. And I don't want to show that. But yeah, it doesn't give any information, like, at all. So, the thing is, I don't actually have that security number on me. I have to go get my wallet. So I will continue my transaction later. It's in my bin. So we'll do that later. Let's, oh, how big is it, game-wise? Helldivers. Do you already have it? They're Gangsterlicious. Do I see? No, you don't have it. What were people playing it on Game Pass? Is that what they were doing? Now that I know your CC, I'm going to try to buy things. My CC? You don't know my CC. Do you have it too? Oh yeah, a bunch of people in this. Yeah. Because I don't remember if it was like on Game Pass and people picked it up. Where's the thing? It should say somewhere. Available space. You need 100 gigs. Oh. Who wants my credit card number? Yeah, it says 100 gigabytes. Jeez Louise. Well, I guess I'll purchase it, and I will what's it called? Download it at lunch. Missed the physical media days when studios were forced to compress to optimize. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's true. Optimized. That's a crazy thing how things just don't need to be optimized anymore. Really, it's also because computers are much more beefier too. What was I doing? Clone. Dot. Get component unit. Can I make it equal to? Unit dot, no. I would have to go through everything. Oh, damn it. To copy all the stuff. Because it would be like dot. I mean, I could just, you know what, I could just do current. Current HP would do it is equal to hero holder dot transform. It's all this crap. Let's take this. Oops. And this would be dot current, because that was the thing that it was screwing up. I applied to a squirrel games yesterday. I don't even know what that is. Squirrel games. Wait, I'm so confused. Not. Is this... No, this is like not a thing. Squirreled away? I sent you... Who makes a squirrel game? I'm guessing it's like Goat Simulator, but not. I applied to a squirrel game yesterday, but I don't understand. Squirrel with a gun? Is that the thing? I hope it scrolls away. I jumped on that early access yesterday for a friend. I don't know if it's a company in Ontario or not yet. It's not the title. Oh. Good morning! Squirreled away. Squirreled away. A survival game. Early access. Well, it's got a demo. That's kind of cool. Play as squirrels. That's pretty funny. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. It's already almost got 100K. You're reading my message wrong like 3 times now. Squirrels with gun was actually pretty good. I'm so confused. He's dyslexic. I don't understand. I'm going to go back up to this and we're going to look at it. And what you said was, you literally said, I applied to a squirrel game yesterday. I don't understand what that means. And then we all started questioning it. Squirreled, if it was squirreled away, if it was squirrels with guns. The actual name of the studio is called A Squirrel Game. Is what you're saying. That's what you're telling me. I don't know. No. Never mind. Back to work. Okay. So, I can't seem to just dump... I vote we drop the convo and force him back to the coding mines. What was I saying? I would like... I don't know why... How would I do this? So this is a unit. This is a script. I want to take all the data in this script, which I think I have to do it manually, which really sucks. But I don't need to do all of it. Really, I just need to do some of these things. I need to do this. I think that's... maybe this. And for now, we'll just do current HP. So at least now they retain their HP when they go between things. I really should get rid of this cloning thing. I don't necessarily need it. I don't need clones. I can just use the heroes and move them around. Then I don't have to do any of this cloning stuff. But this will do fine. So now I should retain damage. Oopsies, I shouldn't be running this. Yeah, I should retain damage between floors now. So whenever we'll pick you, we'll fight. Take a couple bits of damage, we'll finish it off, and double check her thing. She's 6 health. Let's go into a fight. She's 5 health. Spear this fool. Whatever, boss skips it. Recruit someone. Battle. We'll do you. I'll double check you. You have full HP. Hurricane Blast. Night animation event has no function name specified. Yeah, I know. Shut your face hole. I haven't done the event stuff, which we were looking at before. Let's recruit a ninja. Huh. Oh, that would be why. Okay, I know why. Let's go here. So she's getting pondered. Right? Why is her health not going down? Oh, that's weird. The bar isn't updating. Why isn't this updating? Yeah, you're taking a bunch of damage. Well, that was super weird. Okay. But she got healed. When did she get healed? Yeah. Time to focus. Focus? Okay. Whatever, stab. Hurricane attack. Hurricane attack. Hurricane attack. Okay, so 16. Current HP is 16? That doesn't make any sense. 20. What's going on? These numbers should change. Because these numbers... Wait, I can see it here. Let's see when we click... Battle lost? No. Battle won. Okay. False. Show game objects found. Yeah, if that is true. If... Okay. It's fine. Let's go set party list states. If true. Yeah, so I called that. When did I call that? I should... We did all this. Some HUD. No, okay. Where? Party state of current 0 health. That was false. If this is on, LD party list of current state health is equal to. Okay, 16. Right. So then this guy, who's our active person, should have... Why are these all capped? So you're at 16. Something's janky here. She's at 16, but it doesn't make sense that she's at 16. He would be at 16. Okay. Oh, I know what's happening here. This needs to not be slot. It should be, because yeah, or if I go here, what did I call it? Party list. I'll do slot 0. No. It's not gonna be slot 0 because they're gonna change. So whatever my active party size is 3. Active unit is 1. So this is actually not going to be that. This is going to be active unit. What? Cannot active unit type int, do not invoke. It is an int. Isn't active unit an int? Active unit, where are you? Active value, active player unit. Oh, okay, that's just this is the way it's written. Where were we here? So this is not that, it's active player unit. There we go. This is what's happening. So right now it's only rewriting the first clone. That's why. Oh, here. And just so we also know, stat unit current, the list of stat, the party list stat of unit 0, we're not going to do that. We're going to do this. We're going to go close this plus, this is going to be bracket. This is going to be plus active unit dot name dot get. No, it's going to be, what is it? Player unit dot name dot nickname. Okay, boop. No, this, what can I do? There we go. Oh, I'm missing a plus here. Plus. So it's going to say LDG party list stat of the person's name, current health is equal to their health. So that's how it should do its thing. I think that's what I want. I don't know if I can clear that chat, can I? No. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know if that does anything there. Okay, Let's go back to here. We'll end this. Maybe we might do a little animation tweaking, but clear this. So now, what it should do. Oh, the other thing was when someone dies. That was the other one. Okay, let's see. You took damage. Cool. Let's take a bit more damage. Let's Hurricane Blast this mofo. Okay. So let's just check. Your health is at 14. What did we say? Did we actually do this thing? The Roll. His name is The Roll. Is that really the Oh, I guess it randomly picked the and roll. Okay, his name is The Roll. Cool. Shortcut. So here what I want is I want you to pick your person. The Roll's highest skill is Strength. Cool. The Rock. Yeah, he can be The Rock. He can be Sir Roll, Lord Roll, The Roll, Sir Rick. Richard 2. So when I click this, the problem is it does everything. I don't want it to do everything. Here, confirm button, success. If it's true, then we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to next scene. But I don't want that right away. Skip is the one that goes to the next scene. I probably have to add another button because this just jumps. It doesn't let you read the thing that happens. It'll change and then it just swipes away. I don't need that to do that. Now let's just take a look. Is Home Slice still at... Cool, so then, let's see if the heal works. 20%. He's at 14 health, 18 health. Cool. Combat. Getting plowed by the slime. Watch it go down. Great. Did your bash work? Oh, bash does what it was supposed to do. Okay, let's recruit someone else. Let's battle 3 dudes. Let's switch her out. Fatima of the Plains. She takes some damage. Spear. 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 Yeah, I need to have a thing that times it out for the enemy to roll out, because right now we get like... And then we'll go shortcut. We'll have Fatima do it. Confirm. We will skip that. We'll drop into another battle. Yeah, so we're already low on health. Finish you off. Finish you off. I think that caps him out into a level up. Does that give him a level up? Yeah, I think it does. Oopsies. Boop. Yeah, it does level him up, but the ability thing isn't working, so I gotta fix that. So it says index out of bounds here. Place hero on platform. Oh. That's why it's getting out of bounds. It's like, oh, we've only placed one hero, but we can't place another hero. So it should be... And this will have to get changed. This will have to be specific to that. But okay, so we placed hero here. And this. Ability 0 dot get component text is equal to ability dot text is equal to current unit being trained attack 1. Set the correct current words for the ability. Currently being trained attack 1. So there's a little more shenanigans that I gotta figure out for this. Just setting my stuff up. Huh. So, and then if I do train up doesn't work because we're locked at this spot. Setup function to set the button text on the click to base ability text for skill choices. Base ability dot text is equal to current user ability trained to attack 1. Is that maybe what I'm doing wrong? Maybe this, but this is like ability button 0 dot get component text button 0. What's ability button 0? Doing it in this training system. Ah, we don't have any ability buttons. Is that what I screwed up? Maybe that's what I was working on? So, list of new words. Number of word slots. Ability buttons. I don't remember what I was doing in this. Okay, let's go back when this starts. Set all ability text. Ability text, we call this first one. Ability text is equal to current unit being trained to attack 1. Okay. So then maybe I have to, so we have ability button 0. Okay. So then technically we should have, this should be set to 4 right off the bat. No, we need to, this is 4 game objects. It's game objects. What game objects am I going to be? Is it buttons? Is that what I'm doing? Crapolorsh. I don't remember. Is there buttons here that we see that we don't see? Unit, button, 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 cool. New word, background, current move, base text, that's fine. Prototype skills. So then, is it these? It can't be these. No. I was using the same thing as my I know what I'm doing wrong here. In here. Slot, and then I create them with this. Item drag, item drag. See, I think what I have to do here is ability button 0, get component child text. Dot text equal to current training dot attack 1. Button 2 text is equal to current training. Oh, unless this is just asking for those buttons. Maybe that's what I was doing there. Maybe that's what I'm asking for. Am I just asking for these buttons? Or are we just asking for those buttons? No. Well, because then it would change their text. No, it's not what I want. I know that's not what I want. Okay, do. Set a function that sets the button text on click to the base ability text for skill choice. No, I think I wanted to do the slot thing. Did I not set that up in the UI here? Background, floor, prototype button, background. I definitely did something, and I think I frigged it up. I did it, and I don't know if I saved it, because I did have a prototype of this. Don't save anything here. Focus. If I run it, I know there's nothing for it to grab. So there's nothing here. It's like, oh, there's no object, no instantiation of an object. So it's like, oh, hero holder, transform, dot count. Place, hero holder child I, game object I. Platform I, hero holder. So this is placing the heroes on the platform. Okay. So it's supposed to place heroes on platform. We're just going to get a prefab. No, what's it? What did I call it? It's the ladder game data one. I guess we can slap one of these in. And I could literally just throw in a random playable there. And then if I run it, it shouldn't get too upset now, because there's a hero holder. Current floor. Oh yeah, that's just stuff that it doesn't know about. But then here, oh, he is there. He's there, but he's super tiny. That's why. So it is actually doing. Also, tell Anna I said hi. I don't know if she's watching. She might be. Okay. Okay. So he's there. This goes here. So we did that. Generate panels. Should not grab hot things. Yeah, leave me alone with my hot things. Okay. Generate slots. Ah, that's why I have my generate slots A and B. Okay. So inventory controller is going to be similar to the skill training thing. Okay, oh, ladder data, UI, A and B panels. Why do I have A and B panels? First, place all heroes in order. Place the current item in the holder, if any. Place all heroes / new items in the center holder. Yeah. Generate slots on start equals true. Generate items in the slot panel A. Inventory panel is active. Generate slots in panel B. Place hero on platform, it does that. Generate slots, cool. Generate slots B. But where are we pulling this? Words are used is equal to true. So, clear this. Don't need to run this. We can actually go here, go here, go here. Don't say what I did here. And then here, we have the drag controller. Okay, so here, this. The person comes in. Right. Right. Okay, search. Oh, okay. Okay, so set abilities, but we need to know the abilities. Current skill name, unit current unit being trained, string, list of new words. Where is this list coming from? And what other things are in that? Did I give my prefabs predetermined words? No, let's... Whatever, let's put 4. Fire. Water. Earth. Air. Number of word slots, 0. Avatar, heart, 1. Okay. Will this generate the things I want? No, we have a weird issue. This is the first thing that happens. It's looking for a bunch of stuff. So it's checking for things. Okay. It wants stuff to go there. Okay. So we have that. Drag and drop controller. Leveling system. Hero location. Event system. Which is fine. Don't really care. Event system can go up here. Stats. So we need a hero information. Training system, then it's going to grab this. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave this as it is and run it and see if we can get something to happen here. We'll save it. We're leaving just that. Looking for jobs is depressing. Not even open for a day. Well, what do we find? Senior animator position on LinkedIn in posted 20 hours ago. No longer accepting applications. Classic. Not even open for a day. Look for a job is depressing. Yeah, I feel very lucky with where I'm currently. They just happened to reach out right when my old contract ended, but it's from a place I applied to over a year ago. Oh, that's kind of what it is. It's like, kind of what it is. Okay, I'm going to turn my little slime here into a mega bonus slime. I think I have to put this to 5. Kapow! Okay, it brings her to here. So, we get to here. This wants to do something. Place here on platform. It gets upset about this. Because here transform is equal to I transform. Yeah, we don't need that part. Then we get to here. Okay, so let's fix one bit of code here. I don't know why this inventory one. So if let's just do a thing here. If leveling up, oops, if leveling up is false, do this thing. And then here, put a thing for here. Public bool leveling up is okay. If it's false. Cool. Here, we're getting to here. But it's from a place. Oh yeah, I miss my stable full-time job at Merck. Yeah, sucks going contract to contract, so uncertain, especially when all contracts lately have only been 4 to 5 months. Yeah. Also poo-poos. Okay, so we do here. Barely enough time to have benefits or a carry EI. Well, you should still be getting EI. Like, when they pay you, they have to pay into unemployment insurance. So technically, I guess you have moments where you're not working. That's the kicker. But then if you can not take EI in those like spaces between, you can lift it up. You can like occur it. Okay. So we get to here. So this should be not a problem anymore. Then this part is, I don't understand. Ability button 0 is get component thing dot text is current button attack 1. Button attack 2, 3, 4. I don't think I need this anymore. Yeah, I don't think I need any of this anymore. Set all the buttons. I don't think I have buttons anymore. I think now I do the generating thing. Maybe that's what's causing me this issue. Okay, let's do this. Clear. Let's quickly take a look at training, leveling up. These different scenes. This is training. This is leveling. This is the training one. Ooh, wait. I think I know what's wrong. This one I think this is supposed to be closed. I think this one's supposed to be open. Yes. I think that's what's the issue. Yes. Play. Yeah, but apparently if you start rolling into your EI balance after like 24 weeks of employment, apparently it only starts rolling into, oh, okay, or something like that. I don't know. People at Service Canada are really confusing on the phone. Yeah, no. So the big thing is it's you're trying to accrue a certain amount of hours, and then you get a percentage of that as the rollout for your EI. And it's weird because technically, you know, you don't get those hours when you're off contract, right? So it's like you got to kind of accrue all that stuff. And if you're off, like if you're like, I'm not working right now and you want to take EI, it's like, well, they'll only go as far back as your last contract. So if it's only 4 months, then like, oh, okay, you can only take EI for 4 months. So when I first worked at Jamfield last year, I was about 1 week short of time worked before able to. Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing. It's like you'd have to. And then also they have another thing is that you can't take EI. Like you pretty much have to wait a year each time. You have to wait 52 weeks before you can take EI again. And then your EI is relative to how many weeks you worked. So that's like, so if you work 4 months, then you're off for 3, or you work 4 months, then you're off for a month, and then you work 5 months. Yes, the total time is 6 months, but you're missing that 1 month in between. It gets, yeah, it's a lot of, I got screwed over with the EI stuff because I own my company. Go figure. They're like, you own the company, so we're not going to give you EI. I'm like, I don't make any money. I paid into the unemployment. You guys suck. Yeah, so do this / end. Okay, did this crap out here? This thing. It shouldn't have to happen right away. That's one thing, okay. This one. Same thing. I don't know why these are getting called and they're being upset. So he's here, we go here. There we go. Okay, so this works. This is what it's supposed to do. Yeah, Master Shaporo. He went up. Cool, cool. And I go train up. Next, train up? No. If I do next level, it'll, no. Okay. So then he's supposed to do train up. So when okay, I'm with you on the no money club. Did you just make a big purchase or something? I quit my job in April. I'm surprised you quit right off the bat and didn't just wait until the end of summer. But you were working there like full time for a while though. So technically I guess, oh. Our program starts in July. Oh, okay, so. Yep. Homie's going back to school. Getting that, being a student again. Okay, so we got to hear, move, damage 1. Held items, age, info. Okay, so we did all this. It should be done. It should check. It's ready to level up. Some platform 0. This here does need to trigger. If it's false. And then this thing. is grumbling my mind. Accounting, it's really just a cover for my OnlyFans career. Okay, what is going on here? And the controller, this will control the training hero scene. Data needed in the current Halo training scene, generate words based on the, flow, generate words using thing, but we're leveling up first. We've leveled up. My person has leveled up. Did his stats go up? They did go up. His stats went up. We didn't change unit levels 1. Experience is 5. Experience to next level is 4. Huh. Okay, maybe we don't. We just do the level up. Do the level up. So next level. So we'll do where is it? This thing. This button. Level up stats. Level up stat change level up. Okay. What did you do? Redeemed more push-ups. Make it 10. Why is it 10? It's only 5. It's only 5. You still owe me 5 from earlier still. What do you mean? I did the 5 from the earlier. I did it. It's on stream. It is there. It's my 2-month subversary. The subversary doesn't give you more points. That doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. 2, 3, 4. I'll give you some squats. That's what I'll do. I'll do some squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got squats. That's what you got. I don't feel like doing more push-ups. Scammed. Was it before or after the credit card details? Scammed. And I was one of the people I talked to before deciding on the program. Automod. Accounting is one of a few irons I have in the fire right now, so I'm not worried. Oopsies, I didn't even bring this back. Yeah, accounting's a pretty solid one. You should get on the train of learning about game dev bursaries and tax credits and stuff, and learn about all that stuff and how to apply for grants. You know, maybe I can open up a little position for you at my company. You help me get some grant monies and some tax write-offs. Come work for me. I thought Nick was supposed to be... Well, of course Nick's the first hire. That's just like how it is. Just reminds me, weren't you supposed to DM me about writing game text? Oh, yeah. There's still... That's this thing. Oopsies. I'll have to come back to this. It's the... I just have to write the parameters for it, but pretty much it's pretty straightforward. Grab this, go to a fight... Stab, continue. Let's grab another person, fight, stab, continue. Okay, give me the treasure room, I don't care. Give me the diamond. That's whatever. Put this here. Boss, heal, recruit, fight. Okay, we need someone else to fight for a bit. Stab, a stab. I don't want anyone leveling up. Here we go. So this is what we have to, this is where I was talking. Need to add caught emote. So go to the shortcut. This is where you have like the thing if you want to write some stuff. Pretty much you have a preface of what's happening. There's a pit in the path. One of the heroes must jump across. Then you need a stat that they have to, like a stat check, pretty much. Each hero will just be, it'll tell you what their best stat is. So like, Blade of the Knight's highest stat is crit chance. This guy's strength, and this guy is crit chance. So you pick a stat that you want to be like the thing that lets them pass or fail, or pass. And the player has to decide who they think will be the best fit for it. You don't explain, like, you can hint at what would be a good stat, but you're not flat out telling them, oh, crit is the best stat to win. And then, yeah. And then you have a win condition and a lose condition. Later on, I'll have degrees of success and failure. Mom, who's an accountant, says if you move to London, Ontario, there will be a job position for you in about a year and a bit. She's planning to retire in 2026. Yeah, no, well, that's the thing. That's what there's. I saw a thing about that is that accounting is a boomer generation thing. So like, there's a lot of accountants that are older, and they're all going to be retiring in the next 4 to 5 years. So that means the opening positions will be a lot. Yeah. Find out if Can's mom can position as remote. Josh could take it and live in Ottawa and remote to London, Ontario. I don't think it is though. But yeah, also Ottawa's, there's a lot of accounting places and a lot of places you can do it. Also, you, depending on what you do, like you could start your own accounting business. Like the accountant that does my game dev stuff, he worked for a big firm. He got his was doing that corporate stuff, and then he left to start his own company, and so he just does small businesses. She has a pretty chill job though. She says she usually gets her week worth done in about 3 days. Yeah, I mean, it depends on, well, again, she's also been doing it for how long, right? That's the thing. It's like once you have your setup and you can hammer your stuff out, you can be pretty efficient with it. And especially if you're in a place that doesn't deviate much. But then I'm pretty sure she probably has times a year where it's like the crunch time, like year end, and if they get audited. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, so this is what I was talking about. I could write a little thing because this is it's just a lot of writing. It's just so much writing. Where's the writing for it? Is it here in the generation? Yeah, so these are the, oh, I guess I do have, I also have oh yes, and there's descriptions for passing and failing. So these are the things actually. Event description, event success value, so like whatever the number has to be for them to succeed. The event success name, so this is just like speed, strength, toughness, whatever. The fail description, fail result, so if your fail description is like you got attacked, the fail result leads to like a battle or someone dies or someone takes damage. And then event success, it's the description, and then event success, a result. So like, do they get healed? Do they get a treasure? So I can put this into a little thing. And actually what I would want, this is kind of a weird thing, but I'd want it to be written out in a spreadsheet so that I can easily import it into these things. Because each thing has to be within the element. So element 0 refers to, like, element 0 is going to be, each 0 part is connected. It's all one thing. And then element 1 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I could probably make a spreadsheet that's pretty easy. I love spreadsheets. Yeah, so like it has to be like that because when I put it in, when I check for like when I generate this, it doesn't randomly pick. It literally says roll a number. That's the event that you're going to deal with. So if the number is 0, then it only does this first event, which is you found a rest area. Who will stand guard? The value is 2. It's speed. If they don't succeed, your party gets attacked. It immediately goes to a battle. If you succeed, you wake up, everything's fine, and you get a heal bonus. I love you spreadsheets so much. Why don't you marry one? I mean, I could maybe hammer out a spreadsheet. Do you use Google Docs? Aren't you getting married? Like, aren't you engaged? I think that's excelling. Also, haven't you also been together for like a very, very long time now? No? I feel like everyone's engaged. Everyone's engaged for like years. Only a decade, yeah. You just didn't decide to put a ring on it? I see how that is. I'm sure she's a little like... To lock down your Anna. That's super funny. Because I have an Anna. Steve has an Anna. Oh, I guess it's K-Ann. No. Yeah, it's Crystal Ann. It's not. No pressure. I'm not just gonna be like Jamal. Secure the and fianta ficita. Then we can all go have breakfast and we can sit them together and they can be the Ann Triforce. You find an Anna of sorts for Nick. He just needs to keep on keeping on. Or you know what you could do actually? I've noticed this with the walking app. You can find like other people in there, and you might be able to find someone who's walking around your neighborhood, and you can like walk together. Needs play dates with other Annas. I mean, I don't know. I think girls are pretty happy to like hang out with other girls. It's like a normal thing. They can all just talk about their nerdy boyfriends, husbands, fiancés. Go through the chitty chat of that. Or it's food. I'm sure all of them like food. That's like a big thing. Yeah. So yeah, we confirm it shouldn't go right to that. I should have a thing that happens. I should have a thing. Okay, well maybe I can hammer that out actually pretty quickly, I think. Google Docs. Go to spreadsheets. New spreadsheet. We'll call this one. What is it? Event text descriptions. Okay, we don't need this nonsense. So what do we need? We need a few columns. Which would be the best way to, I think I like vertical. I'm a big fan of vertical columns. But how is it horizontal or vertical? See, if you look at my thing, let's just go to the event one. Let's close this. Let's go to my event thing. Here, the big thing is they all just have to be in the same thing. Maybe I do horizontal, and then it gives the order of operations. I think maybe that works. I think maybe we'll go horizontal. So we have, these will be our numbers, whatever. This will be our side thing. So the first thing is event description. Oopsies. Actually, I could just put this over here for now so I can actually see it. And then we're going to go, here will be event description. Boom. Then we have event description. Then we have stat. I should say difficulty. Difficulty. Oopsies, did I spell that right? Difficulty. Well, actually, it would be event. It wouldn't be. Yeah, we'll just do event because that's easier. I can do the number stuff. Event difficulty. And then after that, it's stat needed. And I'll have to give you like other stuff. Post an image of your current process for my boss figure progress. Post an image of your current process progress for my boss figure. You can do that all later if you want to focus on it. I posted an image on your Discord. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Man, this boss is gonna be super scary compared to your like duder. Compared to your humble little person that's gonna be running around. Okay. What are we? So yeah, stat needed, and then maybe I'll put like a note thing after. Stat needed. Fail description. Then we have fail result. Fail result. And then success. Success. Description. And success. Oopsies. Success result. Not too bad. And then I guess we can just give some notes. It's on things. So, there we go. Notes on things. Boop. So we have our stats are going to be, should I just put this here? I can just put it in here. Boop, boop. Oops, stop. What did I do? This fucking car emote just sneaking into my sentence. What car emote? I don't know what you're talking about. Let's go prefab, playable, hero. So we have strength Actually, you know what I could do? I think I know I could do this better. It might be in my unit text. Yeah, I guess this would be... I guess I could just grab this. That makes sense. And let's go back to here. I'm going to stick it in here. We're going to adjust it a little bit. Go. Let's just go. Let's get rid of this. Boop. Boop. This is just a lot easier because it has a little bit of an explanation of what they do. Boop. And boop. Okay. So that's stat stuff. What's the other thing I need? Oh yeah, so that's stats. The next one would be fail results can be death or battle, or I guess we can combat. Lose item, damage hero or party. So yeah, death, combat, lose an item. Is there any other ones that are really sticky outy for that? No, that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else super... Focus. It's because you don't have BTT set up properly on your browser settings. So you can't see it, but you can. We can see it, but you can't. I sent you a screenshot. Why is there like a Ford Focus? That's so weird. That's so bizarre. Should be a Mazda. Okay. I don't know if I have any other results. There's death, combat, losing an item, damage. What's another negative result? Ooh! Drop floor. That's cool. Then we have success. Results. So recruit hero, heal, and this can be either hero or party. Get item and yeah, up unextra, it'd be unextra lore, something like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the gist of it. I think things that need to be known. Oh, XP. XP is another one. This one can also have the XP. XP, and the other one can be loss of XP. And this one can be loss of XP. Trade-off. Focus room. It's to help you focus. Trade-off. This seems like the kind of stuff you could probably do on your phone or in a notebook, right? Your limited dev time must be spent at the moment doing stuff in code to get systems working. Focus. Oh, I mean, yes, it could be something I do somewhere else, but now it's done. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. It's also, in the future, for me anyways, it'll be a lot easier to write it all in here and transfer it over than it would be to write it there, because at least this way it's all condensed. And then what I can do here, I can do this here. No. I don't know if I have your email. Only people with access can open the link. Okay, let's just copy this, and I'll send it to you there, sir. So you should have access to it now. Oh, that's it? Okay, that works actually. Cool. And then I'll give you editor position permission. And there. Boop. So you should have access to it. Bingo bango, that's done. What do I see? Also, if you don't already have one, you should swing by a dollar store and get yourself a small notebook to carry around and some dollar store magic packs. No more dollar store magic packs. Those are not cool anymore. They're cool when they were first being done. Now they are all garbage. Utter garbage. They were cool before Commander became like the go-to format, because the place that packages the dollar, especially Dollarama, the place that packages is in Montreal, and it's like they now sort and take all the good cards, and they only leave garbage, and then they repackage that and they send it to the Dollaramas. Okay, I do want to be able to. I'll take that out. I'll take that out for now. I don't want it in there. It's cool. It's neat, but I need to event. Oh, we don't need this. Don't need play precision controller. This one. Confirm button. I'm gonna just take this out for now. So confirm. This checks the stat. Cool. Then what I should do is I should create a second button. That's what I should do. I should have a second button, and the button doesn't exist. So this one, we're just gonna duplicate this. Duplicate. Okay, this button is going to be continue. Let's call it continue. Continue. Okay. We're going to have it called, say, continue. Okay. And what this is going to be off for now. This one, it's going to do this. It does that. After it does that, what it's going to do, it's going to turn itself, oops, don't do that. It's going to turn itself off. Object, it's going to set itself off. Then it's going to turn this one on. Make it true. So it's going to flip the buttons. Easy peasy. Then what I got to do is for my confirm button, this is going to pull something different. So we will just have, yeah, I think it'll just actually use this. So I do have to do a check on here. So if I say skip button needs to check something. Because I'm skipping the event. I mean, I guess it doesn't need to worry about it. It's the same. I could just put that here, I think. I mean, I could call skip. But I need to change it a little bit differently. Next scene. Bum, 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 bum. I've done $3 store drafts. It was great to see what decks people come up with. Lobster Reanimation was probably my favorite. Oh yeah, drafting. The good old times. Magic cards. The magic. Oh, the magic. Okay, for now, I think... Because this literally goes back. This does what it's supposed to. It sets the hero back to where they need to go. Set heroes back to holder. That's good. I need to... I could just call this. It'll go back. The other thing, though, because when I call this, check hero stat versus thing, it gives me the success thing here. But what if I don't do anything? Check event outcome. Buttons. Where's my check event outcome? Where's my check event outcome? Because this checks if the speed was the correct one and the speed was better than the number of the success value. We have success complete, we have complete. We then check the event conclusion, which goes to here. If it was a success, we check what it is. These are the different things that trigger. Kill hero, take damage, battle. If it was a success. So then why does it, if I skip, do I hop into, if we do battle, trigger battle, set up with the battle, oh yeah, because right now it doesn't do that. Hero takes X damage, heal the party, hero gets X XP, trigger the shop, okay. Kill hero, that just pops the hero. So for now, I think I'll just call the same thing. I'll just add a different little thing here. Before we do the scene change. If, what is it, event complete? If, okay, yeah, so this would go, if event complete is equal to false, we're gonna do this thing, because you're skipping the event. What the heck happened here? What the heck happened here? Okay, that was weird. And then if event complete is equal to true, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to maybe add some extra crap in here. But for now, we'll do this, and we'll say, yeah, just completed. completed event. I guess I could also, yeah, it's fine for now. Okay, we go here. And then this one will not slap the confirmation button. It'll slap the skip button on the continue button. So then it's a continue. Hey Nick, did you ever contact Alex? Alex Ingliash? What am I looking for? Skip button. No. Well, you don't have to contact him when there's a jobs available. You can contact him and be like, yo, I'm looking to try to get hired at your studio. You know, can you point me to a person that I could maybe talk to? Because the thing is, a lot of times job postings are like planned before they actually get released, and sometimes just having that little in will give you the little bit of edge. Because think about it like this: the kicker with a lot of studios is that when they post stuff, they just get inundated with stuff now. But if someone internally in the studio is like, yeah, this person's good, and I've worked with them before, you're more likely to get at least someone to talk to than someone sending a resume or sending stuff. Because, again, most of that stuff's automated now. How many human eyes actually look at stuff? Okay, so this should work. We are good to try it. Let's go back here. Yes, we'll save the changes. 2 eyes. Take you. Go here. Oh, slash. I know there's key animations that are not doing stuff. Boss battle doesn't do anything. I have to change this. I have to make a better coding thing. This is cool. I don't mind this. This is not too bad. Recruit someone. Heal. Battle. You do it. Whatcha! Spear. I don't know why my spear animation doesn't work. Shortcut. There we go. Shortcut. Rick. Rick's highest skill is strength. And then we confirm. Hero makes the jump and is able to tie a rope on the other end. Yay! I need to adjust this. I need to actually have it call the hero's name to say, like, Sir Rick makes the jump. Oh, this should say makes, not make. I think this is a polish thing, but how long will it take for you to have an end battle button waiting until the death animation actually finishes? You mean in the battle? So if I go to here, let's pick her. See, the problem is there. See, that was the animation occurred, but then a new guy came in. But we kill this guy, and then we kill the last guy. The animation happens, but you're saying wait until this is done animating before this button comes up. Yeah, no. I there's a lot of little. Yeah, so there's a lot of little things, like, yeah, there's a lot of little things. Making sure that timings happen in a certain order. Like, this button shouldn't show up until this is dead. Yeah, no, there's even just like the enemies, like these should like go away or like be X'd out every time I beat one. That's like another thing that I need to do, just so you know. Having enemies die, and then see, like, I thought about this idea. Because I'm pretty sure... Yeah, I have multiple of them. Where are you? See, I have this guy over here, right? He's way over here. But I thought about something kind of like this for the enemies. Having the enemies like kind of, when they die, they kind of just pick a different location. So that it's like you see it die, another one comes out, it dies, another one comes out, it dies, and there's like kind of a spread out body count. So it's just a little, it just tells the end button script to only appear after the final enemy has stopped it. Yeah, it's a little bit, so that was the thing I was talking with Nick about yesterday, and why Home Slice here, my dude, has, we're talking about event system, right? So in the animator, not the animator, in the animation, yeah. In his animation, especially his attack animation, this one, I have these little event triggers. Right now it's calling, it gets upset with me because the triggers don't do anything. Here. Yeah, index out of bound, no. Index out of bound, no. Where's the part where he fights? Whenever Rick fights, it like gets upset because it like hits these and it's like, oh, we hit these event triggers but nothing happens. So I think I could use these to be like, only after it hits the very end of the animation, like a death animation, trigger the next thing. So that's what I gotta do. I gotta do a little bit more connecting of that. I want to like spread out the enemies when they die, and same thing for the heroes. So like you were talking about, oh, are we going to see all the heroes on screen? I'm back and forth. I like the single hero thing, but then I was like, oh, but if I do the heroes out kind of thing, I don't know. I'm back and forth because it's like a way to also show if you do an attack that does damage to more than one, because I have overflow attacks. So it's like something could hit and hit the hero and then also do damage, like splash damage to the other heroes behind. I also have to add something to kind of, maybe like a health bar or something on these other ones. It's easy because you can flip between it, but you don't know anything about any information on these guys, which I want to change. Especially just actually making them X out. Maybe I can move, maybe I can shift the enemy. What is it? Combat? No. Environment? Enemy battle station. Is this like a thing? Oh, it's that. Okay, no. Maybe I need to... I want to write... Oh my god, it feels... Oh god, if you have enemy attacks that hit the whole party, I feel like you need to show them all. It's not implemented, the attacking the whole party thing. Right now, I wasn't going to put it in for this run. I didn't think it was because, yeah, like you said, you have to be able to show a way that everyone gets hit. So it'd be like they'd all have to be here. They'd all have to have their damage stuff. I want to just check something here. In my prototypes playable. So him. His thing is, what's going on here? Why are you getting upset with me? Animator. No, animator. Hurricane. Dead. Strike. Revive. Double. Okay. Block. So... this has to correspond. Her stuff is dead, ranged attack, melee attack. So, I'm pretty sure I'm calling the attack. So if I go here, inspect, her attack is spear and slash. So if I go here, I go spear, and I go slash. Those will change. go to our wizard. His attack 1 and attack 2, he doesn't do anything. But if we go here and look at his thing, he's got blast and club. Cool, let's do those. Let's take a look actually real quick about the animations for those. So we've got attack 1. That would be blast. Attack 2, club. Okay. And then we can just go and make this blast, club. Wow, I just missed a bunch of stuff. The difference in clarity between all the Pokemon flinch when the whole team is damaged and the Pokemon who's out flinched while the others just have health bars go down in the menu is crazy. I guess for another example, imagine if a Pokemon game, a poisoned Pokemon continues to take damage every turn even if they aren't active. They can just die on the bench and you wouldn't know. Yeah, that's true. I did hers. I did him. Him. He's got, what are his attacks? His attacks are stab and bullseye. This one is, he's got way too many things there. It's actually a slash technically, it's not really a stab. And then the range one is, yeah, but he shifts, that's the problem. But whatever, we'll stick them in anyways. So at least now we have some animations going. Stab and bullseye. For here. Stab. Bulls. Is it one word? Is it bullseye like that? Or did I space it out? I don't know. Oh, it's Deadeye. Deadeye. Like that. So that should be good. Okay, we'll go on to your things. What are your attacks? Stab and slash. Lightning blade, clone. Animations for you. We have attack 1. It's a little too fancy, but whatever. Hit, idle. Animator. So this would be, oh, it is slash. Is it slash? Oh, it's stab. The second one's slash. Because the second one has an animation. The first one doesn't. But I have to, again, that's a whole nother thing, is like going in and separating these chunks of animation. Because like this attack animation actually has just a bunch. So it's, there's multiple things I could do. I could literally just use the last frame. What is it? This frame. So from his idle. So he goes back and then he goes, and then he puts it back. So I have to chop this up. Because that's what I did with this guy. His animator, he has like this super convoluted thing, is because I have different. Why doesn't it animate? Oh, I guess I could do it like this. I could run it, and then it should animate. Oh, no. I want this guy. Can I go to this guy? Yeah, here. If I click this. What? Why doesn't it work? I know why. Go back. Gotta bring him out. Gotta do this. Hey, hi! I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Okay. Then I'm gonna go here. Then I'm gonna go here. And then if I click this, he's got a double stab. He's got his charge slash. He's got his block. Got a strike. Got the hurricane, which has all of it. We have his death. Yeah. And then we have revival. Just right. There we go. Revival does work. So yeah, so this is how things are starting to, like, I have to do a bunch of splicing and animation stuff to make things nicer. A lot of it's like little things like this. Like, this isn't bad. This is just this is sped up because it needs to finish in a certain amount of time. But this is like a mega attack. And then this one will have, technically I need like this charge slash or charge strike. I have to have one where it's like he's holding it. So like if I go attack, I need some, is it here? Where is it? It's like, it would be like here. I need to like add another frame, like him breathing or something, where he's just holding his sword back. And he breathes and then he, yeah. What's the other attack? Attack 1. What's this? Oh, okay, that's just a stab. Oh, okay, that's just how I called them. But yeah, some things like that. But now, actually, that little thing I did, if we play it, now most of the dudes should have... Oh, except for this dude. Because if I choose him, we go to a fight, and I do his attack. Wait, does attack not have damage? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did I not give his lightning attack have damage? Attack 2 has 0 damage, that's why. 20 damage. Now it's got damage. Let's go. No, it doesn't. Why doesn't... Huh. Why is it not doing any damage? Lightning blade do anything? This is turn it on and turn it off. That should toggle. Why doesn't this attack 1? Damage type 20? Oh, because the guy who's attacking doesn't have damage type 20. So I gotta change this crap. I gotta change this so it's using the same thing. So yeah, this would be 20. Now he's gonna thunderclap that guy. And then end battle. What are you working on? Oh, all sorts of little things. All sorts of things. There. Clap, clap, clap. Shortcut. Ninja, go! Boss battle. Look, we're just skipping some levels. I wouldn't mind a recruit. Can I get a recruit, please? Thank you. Oh. Uh-oh. Why are you not happy with that? Why are you not happy with that? I'm so confused. Slot 2, Hero 9. What? Why are you not happy with that? What if I give myself a heal? Clear this, and maybe I can get a recruit this time? There we go. Luke Firestorm. Okay. So his thing won't work. Oh, it does. Super delayed. Why is that so delayed? Is slash fire? What? Oh, no, it's not this guy. It's gonna be the other guy. Okay. Fire. I mean, that's cool and all. Is it this one? No. Is this one? Yeah, so that should trigger like super quickly. Why did it take so long for it to go? Weird. Yeah, just little things here and there, making things work, adding some animations. I guess I could just make it do the cool thing right off the bat. Like, have you actually do cool stuff right off the bat. So instead of that, or like him, he's got his boom slash, if I go animator, okay, boom slash fire slash. So what if we, oopsies, what am I doing here? Here. We can add this as a fire slash. And whatever, we'll make this like 20 points. Just little things. So that those guys will animate. Does his stuff do things? Do you do stuff? Slash. Oh no. Stab and slash. Stab and slash. I'm also missing. Do we have the? Yeah, I guess so. I don't have a. I don't have like a take damage one, which I can do, but. Yeah. Yep. So. What do we have that errors out? We have an error at the leveling point. So if someone levels up, does bash work? It does, but doesn't do anything. Take you, we'll fight. We'll switch you to you, and we'll do this. Do this. So you have no damage on there. We go here, we can get you, and go here. Now let's see if this works. Fire slash. I don't know why it's so delayed. Why is it so delayed? Is it that it forces? Oh, that's weird. I'm doing a hit first. No. Hit. Condition is hit. Oh, because my animation doesn't finish and my attack, the other attack starts. Oh, that's why. That's why. No exit time. Just do it. Fire slash. Ugh. Okay. Next level. He's leveled up. I need the exit button. Luke got turtle shells on his shoulders. Yep, he's a little turtle mouse. He got one of those fire turtles, and he put them on, and now he has fire power. So technically level up doesn't work. This is supposed to go to something else. So if we go to here, and we go to here, and we go to level button, next level button. No. Is it this one? I don't know. Let's take a look. See. It's this button. Okay. What does this do? It does nothing. So this one should call a function that brings us to the leveling up, to training up skill. Which I'll have to do. Okay, let's get the notepad out here. Where's my notepad? Just write a couple notes for myself. Because boys are going to be home tomorrow, so... Person running 2 buttons. Oh, that was Cece's game design. Okay. So, we'll continue, I think. I'll do the leveling up and training thing. So, why isn't this pen working very well? Level up. Train button needs to change UI. Get word abilities working. The goal is drag and drop words to upgrade attacks. Use words related to current animations. Maybe lock. Training up to to characters with the animations. We'll do that. Okay, I think that's good. That's gonna be for tomorrow. That's, well, I might come back and do a bit of it too. Yeah. Because right now we do level up. We do get our stats go up. So Mr. Luke Blaze, his stats would have gone up, which is good. I also need I need like a player menu. Just like an info menu that gives you this, because this gives you info. This gives you the, like, I should color this. I should make these colored differently so you can actually tell. Or maybe add a space. Maybe we need to add a space. Where's the text for this? Where's the text for this? The text for this. This is this one. I want this text. I want this text. There. Oh, I had it. This text. Here. I think if I add spaces. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's just it's missing spaces to make it look. Or I need to line them all up. I don't know. I don't know which would be better. If I line them up or if I just add the spaces. No, I think lined up is better. I like things being lined up. If I did it this way, would that be different? What's for lunch today? Probably leftovers. I think there's some macaroni. There's some still mashed potatoes from when I made steak. There's something else. There's Cece's leftovers from her meal from yesterday. Maybe I'll make some ghetto poutine. Oh, I should have kept my peppercorn sauce. I threw that out. I could have used that for my ghetto poutine. Now I need like some sort of gravy. Some sort of gravy. Daddy Dumpster. Yep, there you go, buddy. Daddy Dumpster. I don't know. I think I might... Okay, like, you're all artsy-fartsy and stuff, everybody. I'm thinking for this displaying this, it's just... I can do it different ways. Right now I have it like this, but I think maybe I need to change the colors of the numbers. Or like, just have these... It looks like... I don't know. It doesn't look good to me right now, and I just need a way to kind of differentiate. This is fine. This is like, oh, you went up level 1. You went up. Your HP is 18, 18. Your strength is 11, your dex 5, toughness is now 8, magic is 13, and your crit chance is still 5%. I mean, it looks good. It needs a... Oh, actually, that's actually smart. If anything, I would say 3 columns. Yeah, so I have the words 1, the numbers, and then the up. Yeah, actually, okay. You know what? Also, your idea of just giving it like a framing is a good idea. Framing it is a good idea. That's a good one. I should frame it. I'm just gonna put that here. Where's my notepad? I had a notepad here. Did I use it? I used it over here. There we go. One column for name, one column for stat, one column for... Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking. So, level up UI. Name, current, or stat number before, stat before, stat after, add, like, in, what would you call it, like background, encapsulation? I'll just do background box, background box of some kind. Yeah, also I need to move, I know this does like some shenanigan-y things. This like tells me how much stuff is coming up, how much XP, but it's like crazy huge. It doesn't, the math is wrong. It's like exponentially causing my XP to be like super ridiculous. I probably should move, I probably don't even need that button in the screen anymore. This is just for testing purposes. Probably move these buttons somewhere else. This is info, this is kind of important. Move damage. I should... Examples, I look good on Discord. Am I doing UI? No. I'm just writing some stuff for tomorrow. Oh, what's going on? There we go. Just writing some stuff for tomorrow. What I want to like, or I mean, there's also stuff that I might do today, like just off stream. Little things. Like I might do this UI stuff off stream just to kind of clean it up. Or I might actually, I don't know. It's either this or I'm going to work on look at my drag and drop stuff for the other part. Because what's supposed to happen is you come here, your guy levels up. Depending on your level, you can train up. Train up doesn't work right now. Train up's supposed to take you to the training scene. So if we go to here, did I do something? Don't save. No, not this one. Is this one? This one, yeah. So this is the one I was working on before. And this is the one that I think, if I run it, does it break? It might break. Reference, what are we missing? This is drag and drop references. Word, variable. Word variables? Oh, is that just missing that? Do the same for me actually. What? should send me a screenshot of every menu. Every menu? I mean, yeah, I guess. Menus. There's like every screen. Oh, okay. Well, like pretty much you got this one. Right, this is where it starts. And then you choose something. And you pick a combat. And this is the combat one. Doesn't change much. Do your stuff. Continues. We have the treasure room, which is literally just, I mean, there probably should be some information. Not a whole lot, because I don't want you to know what the item does. I want you to pick it based on what it looks like. But this also needs to be prettier. Like, or just a little bit maybe more interesting, and probably less bright and more focused on these, but whatever. You pick a thing. This is the picking your, make a quick group chat with Nick and I. Post them there. And then, yeah, and then this is just your picking. This is all just drag and drop stuff. Because you can hold up to 4 items, and then you gotta put 4 items in people. A shortcut. This one right now is just this. Meow! Right meow. Right meow. And then, yeah, this. He jumped. He made it. He's so cool. I don't have one for the boss. But what we can do is quickly level him up. Because, yeah, I think he'll level up off of this stuff. Enemy. Oh, wow, there's a bunch of slimes. Yeah, slam, 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 slam. Do you level him up? Screen and the equipment screen, please. The equipment... When you say equipment screen, like the one where you're equipping stuff, or the item selection screen? Okay, the equipping stuff one. Okay, and then this was just thrown together because I was just trying to get stuff to work. And yeah, and then he levels up. He goes away after he's leveled up. I really need to make it so that this does the cool like doot 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 doot, and then, or it does like a sparkle to the things that actually go up. So his strength went up, his dex went up, his toughness didn't, his magic didn't, and his crit went up. So like these would get like little sparkles, little things, and then maybe like the dude does some sort of animation, and then yeah, and so then from here there's a second screen. It's this one. Right, this is the one where you're choosing it's the drag and drop one, where you would here would be your list of available words. You would set what you're like working on. So it's like strike. It'll say strike, and then you add your words to here, and it like gives you how many words you can put in. But yeah, I can snap some of that stuff, some of those tangs. Yeah, okay. I'll do that, and I'll send it to you before I go eat some food. That said, conclusiones. It's time to end the party. Thank you for the visit. And everyone should download their, what's it called? For Democracy. Room for me and Steve. On the Discord or something. A room for you guys. Well, I think... I thought I did. Did I not give you guys? Did I not give you guys certain promotion? Did I give you enough promotion? Can you guys go to like the guild hall? Guild members? Can you do anything guild members? Add members or roles? Oh, okay, never mind. I can add it. Okay, well, here we go. We'll just do this. Here, you can have guild member 1. And, where is home slice? Here, you guys can have guild membership. So you should have access to the guild member 1. So there, you have guild member access now. Be proud. I've leveled you guys up. Tavern. Oh, what the heck? Oh, you can go to the round table. So yeah, I think that gave. I don't know if everyone's got this. Guild members. It's a private channel. Yeah, you should have access to that in the guild hall. Do you? Does it work? Did you guys check? Check if you guys, because it shows that you guys are like in it or part of it now. Yes, there's things for people that have like certain. This is for you guys have gone and made your own. Okay, that's fine. I made this ultimate group. The power. The power has unfolded here in the ultimate hidden group. Okay, well, I'm gonna cut the stream and then I'll slap some shots. Yeah, it's muted in the round table. Oh, I think what the round table is meant for is like I go in and I talk to people. Okay.